Hi, this is Dilip from Tenet Technetronics. So here we have Megabot Digitizer from Megabot, one of the laser products where you can scan your products to get the 3D output to print it out through a Megabot replicator 2 or 2x and more. So let me just unpack it and see how it looks inside. So here is the Megabot Digitizer kit. We have this Megabot on purchasing. So this is what is the connections and how to put it across, and small installation manual with the software installations. So let me check the Megabot kit and see. You can have a look at here how the kit has come across. So this is a manual, I suppose. Some of the parts we have. Let me just put it out on the table. So this power supply, digitizer. So here we have the digitizer. So this is the Megabot digitizer where you go through the laser print and you get a 3D model out of it, and through which you can take a print of the 3D model that has been developed using Megabot replicator 2 or 2x. Then we'll have one more, we'll make a demonstration which you will see in the next video that is coming up after I assemble this kit and put across a demonstration to one and all. Thank you for watching. This is Dilip from Tenet Technetronics. You can visit our web stores and developers blog at www.tenettech.com.